Hey royal family, how is everyone doing? Hope you're having a great start for your week. I know today is Tuesday and usually it's Taco Tuesday, but today Mrs. O is not doing tacos, you guys. I'm going to bring you a side dish for your Thanksgiving table. I know everybody loves greens. I know I'm not a big green fan, but what I am a big fan of is sauteed kale. So that is what we're going to do today. And I promise you, if you try this dish, it's off the chain. The flavor, the colors in it is just beautiful. But I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. All of my ride or die subscribers, thank you. With enough being said, let's get this train on the track and let's get to cooking. Okay, here are our ingredients. The measurements and everything will be down in the description box below. Here I have a 10-ounce bag of Tuscan kale, cut, washed, and ready to use. I don't believe it, so I'm going to take them out the bag and rinse them off. All right. Here I have a orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I have onions. Here I have tomatoes. Here, if you haven't seen my short, go check it out for the fresh garlic. Here I have citrus garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, smoked paprika, low sodium soy sauce, and in the back I have unsalted chicken stock. What we're about to do now is put a little olive oil in the pan. We're going to saute the vegetables. We're going to saute the onion and the garlic. That's it. Do not add the bell peppers or the tomatoes. All right. I've sauteed the onion in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to take a teaspoon of fresh garlic and we're going to put in there. Just stir it around. If you can smell this onion and garlic, oh my Lord, just that alone smells delicious. All right, now you know we're not going to cook the garlic too long because we've already kind of sauteed the onions. All right, so next what we're going to do, we're going to take this kale. See, I'm telling you, it's going to be so simple. Take this kale, and you see I rinsed them off. You see that beautiful, beautiful green color? Full of nutrition. All right. Now we're going to add our seasonings. As I stated before, I will definitely give you the measurements of the seasoning. Then we're going to add our unsalted chicken stock. And we're probably going to only add half of this, which is a 32 ounce, so we'll do about 16 ounces. And we're going to let this cook for about an hour and a half covered. All right? I'll see you guys in a few. I am so sorry, you guys. Here are two other spices that I forgot to show you. Is the smoked paprika and the Cuban style citrus garlic. You have to try this. The citrusy garlic is so delicious, and I got it at Trader Joe's. Okay, it has been about 45 minutes since I've been cooking the kale. So the last 15 minutes, I think it's going to take just an hour because we're into 45 minutes and they're already pretty tender. So we're going to go ahead and add the yellow and the orange bell pepper. And we're going to let that cook for the last 15 minutes or until the kale is very tender. Now you see the contrast already? It's not only going to look good, but it's literally going to taste good. All right? So we're going to put the top back on. Once the kale is done, we're almost finished, but once the kale is done, we're going to come back and saute it in a garlic olive oil, then add the tomatoes. Okay, family, the kale is done, and you see it has very little liquid in it. We're not going to do kale like you do greens and you want the pot liquor. We're going to really take all of the liquid out when I saute them, and it's going to really intensify that flavor and take away some of the bitterness. So you see this skillet I have here? I'm going to put a little olive oil in it, heat it up, and then put the kale in, and I'll come back and show you guys. And the last ingredients will be the tomatoes. All right, I am about to add the kale to the skillet, and you will hear it. And all I want to do is a quick saute. So I want it up high. So we're going to do this probably 2 minutes. You can still hear it, right? That means whatever liquid is left, it is evaporating. All right, now let's add these beautiful tomatoes. All right, stir those in. So when I come back, I will show you the finished and final presentation of the garlic kale, sauteed garlic kale. All right, Raw family, here's the finished product and the presentation of the garlic sauteed kale. And when I tell you the tomatoes add a flavor, kind of like an acid flavor, that really balances out the kale. And I don't know if any of you guys ever use trapeze pepper sauce. It goes great with the kale. All right, this is another video. If you like my content, please share, subscribe, and comment below. Mrs. O will be back this week. And the only reason I didn't do a dessert, as I had said last week, I didn't have all of the ingredients. But trust me, we're coming back with desserts. We're coming back with sides. We're coming back with meat, so we can get your Thanksgiving table ready. God bless you. I'll see you back soon, and thank you for watching.